In every generation, a single technological question emerges that reshapes humanity's fear, hope, and imagination. In the 20th century, it was nuclear power. In the early 2000s, it was internet. And today, the question is simple yet terrifying. Will artificial intelligence replace human by 2030? This is not a longer topic reversed for science fiction movies or futuristic novel. AI is already writing articles, driving cars, diagnosing diseases, creating music, designing buildings, and making decisions that once required human judgment. What once seems impossible is now part of everyday life. But beneath the hype, fear, and headlines lies a deeper truth, one that most people never stop to examine carefully. Here in this video, we are going to explore that truth. Welcome to my channel Techgayanpro. We will take you through one of the amazing discoveries of science and technology. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Before we answer whether AI will be replace human, we must first understand what AI really is and what it is not. Artificial intelligence refers to the machine designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks includes learning, reasoning, pattern recognition, languages, understanding, decision making, and problem solving. However, AI does not think like human. Most modern AI systems are based on machine learning, deep learning, and large language models, computer vision, and neural network. These systems analyzes vast amount of data, identifying pattern, and make prediction. They don't possess concise emotion and self-awareness. AI is powerful, but it is not alive. Why AI feels so dangerous right now? The fears surrounding AI is not irrational. It is rooted in speed. Previous technological revolutions took decades to unfold. AI is advancing at a pace humanity has never experienced before. In a few years, AI learned to write human-like text, generate realistic image and videos, drive vehicles autonomously, defeat world champions in a complex game, diagnose disease, and more accurately than doctors in some cases. The speed creates anxiety. Human evolves to adapt slowly. AI evolves at machine speed. That gap is the source for fear. A pattern from history we keep forgetting. History offers an important lesson. Every major technological revolution created a panic. The Industrial Revolution replaced manual labor, electricity replaced candle maker, computer replaced typist, and the internet replaced traditional business. In every case, some job disappeared, new job emerged, productivity increased, society adapted. Technology has never eliminated humanity, it has reshaped it. AI is following the same pattern but on much larger scale. Job AI will replace. Let's be honest, AI will replace certain jobs, primarily those who are repetitive and rule-based, predictable, data-driven. Some example includes data entry roles, call center jobs, basic accounting, simple contact writing, routine legal paper, basic graphic designing, and complex ad making, cinema making, and manual quality checks. These roles are vulnerable because AI has performed them faster, cheaper, and without fatigue. This is painful, but it is not new. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it will eliminate all the jobs. This idea misunderstood both AI and human nature. AI Excel has optimized pattern recognition, speed, and scale. Human excel at creativity, emotional intelligence, ethical reasoning, complex decision making, leadership, and innovation. AI can generate ideas, but it cannot care about them. There are the areas where AI will struggle. Emotional intelligence. AI does not feel empathy. It cannot truly understand human suffering, joy, and the love. AI can remix existing data, but true originally, cultural context, and emotional depth remain human strength. AI cannot decide what should be done, only what can be done. AI can analyze trend, but it cannot inspire people. People trust people, not algorithm. Here is the truth that really makes headlines. AI will not replace human. Human who uses AI will replace humans who don't. This shift is already happening. Companies are not firing people because of AI. They are firing people because someone else can do the same job faster using AI. AI is a tool like electricity or internet. Those who learn it will thrive, those who ignore it will struggle. AI is not only destroying jobs, it is creating entirely a new industry. Emerging roles between AI prompt engineer, AI aesthetic, AI trainer, human AI interaction designer, automation consultant, AI auditors, and data curators. Many of these roles did not exist 5 years ago. By 2030, furthermore jobs will be named after AI. Will AI become conscious? One of the most dramatic fears is that the AI will become self-aware and take self-control. As of today, AI has no consciousness, no desire, no understanding of existence, no awareness of staff. True AI remains theoretical. Even if AI emerge, it will be created, controlled, and constrained by human, at least initially. So there is, at the end, when we come to the conclusion, AI is going to replace human? No, but it will replace outdated ways of working. The real danger is not AI, the real danger is competency. AI is not the end of humanity, it's the next chapter of human evaluation, and like every chapter before, how the story depends upon us.
रेडियो फ्यूचर की ये देखो ना, टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे पूरी दुनिया को बदल रही है। ये हमारा एक नया सफर है जिसमें हर कदम इनोवेशन की तरफ है। ये है टेक ज्ञान प्रो, आपका फ्यूचर टेक पार्टनर। तो चलो जुड़ते हैं इस डिजिटल रेवोल्यूशन में।